Hello friends, last Sunday while sorting out an old cupboard full of old books, I came across Alice in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll, which was presented to me as a prize in school. Now that's a long, okay, maybe not that long a time ago, alright? So I started to flip through the pages and I came to a scene in which Alice reaches a fork in the road and has a simple conversation with Cheshire the cat. The exchange went something like this. Alice, would you tell me please which way I ought to go from here? Cheshire the cat, that depends a great deal on where do you want to go. Alice, I don't much care where. Cheshire the cat, in that case it does not matter which way you go. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this interaction may seem simple, but it certainly holds a deep truth. And what's that? Allow me to explain. If you are not clear on where you want to go, any road will take you there. Right. You may find yourself putting in years of effort, toiling away in constant motion, only to realize that you have been walking around in circles. Right again. Okay. So the harsh truth is that most people spend a lot of time designing their ideal vacations, but no time at all designing their ideal life. So ladies and gentlemen, do you think we should reset the words of Cheshire the cat? Something starting with, where do you want to go? Think deeply about this. Be specific. What do you actually want your life to look like? 3. Where do you live? 4. What does that space feel like? 5. Whom do you live with? 6. Who are you close to? 7. What are you doing on a Saturday weekend? 8. What are you working on? 9. What possessions bring you joy? And thus or bus, what does your financial life look like? Bottom line, ladies and gentlemen, is with clarity on destination comes clarity on the action. The noise fades, the wandering eyes focus, the insecurity disappears. Always remember, life is about direction, not speed. It is better to climb slowly up the right mountain rather than fast on a wrong one. Think about it. Thanks for watching.